नमस्ते सत श्री अकाल. केम छो तुम्ही? मजाમાં ने? कसे आहात तुम्ही? मजेत ना? मैं हूँ शालिनी हुबलीकर और मेरे चैनल में आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. आप सब लोगों ने मुझे जो रिक्वेस्ट किया था मैथमेटिक्स के लिए, तो मैंने आप लोगों के लिए मैथमेटिक्स सिखाने का भी पूरा प्रोविज़न कर दिया है और बच्चे लोग अच्छे से सीख रहे हैं. इसकी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है. और आज मैं आप लोग को अपलोड करने वाली हूँ 8th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चों के लिए जो फर्स्ट लेसन है मैथमेटिक्स का, रैशनल एंड इर्रेशनल नंबर्स पार्ट 1. तो इसका पार्ट 1 मैंने ऑलरेडी अपलोड किया हुआ है. तो आज अगर आप पहली बार मेरा चैनल देख रहे हैं और आपने इसके पहले का जो पार्ट है वो अपलोड किया हुआ नहीं देखा है, तो प्लीज़ सबसे पहले पार्ट 1 देखिए. उसके बाद ये जो आज मैं अपलोड कर रही हूँ पार्ट 2 आप देखेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा और एक सीक्वेंस में, एक लाइन में आपकी पढ़ाई होगी. ठीक है? तो सबसे पहले पार्ट 1 देखिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल को और बेल का आइकन टैप करना मत भूलिएगा. और जो बिल्कुल मुफ्त है आप लोगों के लिए, उसके लिए कोई भी चार्जेस नहीं है. और बेल का आइकन टैप करने से अगली जो मेरे वीडियोस आने वाले हैं उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले मिलेगा. और लाइक कीजिए मेरे वीडियोस को और फॉरवर्ड कीजिए अपने दोस्तों को और रिलेटिव्स को. ठीक है? और अच्छे से पढ़ाई शुरू कर दीजिएगा. अभी हो सकता है कि ऑनलाइन अगर आपके एग्ज़ाम्स अगर होंगे तो आपकी अगर पढ़ाई हो गई रहेगी तो आपको कोई भी डर नहीं रहेगा. ठीक है? तो इसके लिए रेगुलर पढ़ाई कीजिए. और जो अदर सब्जेक्ट है, हिंदी, मराठी, हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी, वो सारे लेसन्स मैंने अपलोड किए हुए हैं. तो आप लोग जाइए प्लेलिस्ट में, तो आपको सारे सब्जेक्ट के जो लेसन्स हैं वो मिलेंगे और वो भी पढ़ाई आप लोग शुरू कर दीजिएगा. ठीक है? तो चलो फिर अभी शुरू करते हैं हम लोग पार्ट 2. ओके? और स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. बाय बाय.
Okay, so as I told you, we are starting today with comparison of rational number. So let us learn what is in the comparison of rational numbers. We know that for any pair of numbers on a number line, the number to be left is smaller than the other. Also, if the numerator and the denominator of a rational number is multiplied by any non-zero number, then the value of rational number does not change. It remains the same. That is, a upon b is equal ka upon kb. Therefore, k is not equal to 0. Okay, now they have given an example. Now let us see what the example is. So example 1, compare the numbers 5 upon 4 and 2 upon 3. Write using the proper symbol of greater than is equal smaller than. Okay, now let us start with the solution. So now what if we have to compare these two numbers? Okay, now first of all we will write the first number, what is 5 upon 4. Then we will multiply with the number with the help of the denominator will be same. Okay, if we multiply one number down into from 3, then you have to multiply the upper number also with 3 only. If you multiply upper number with 3, then you have to multiply the denominator number with 3 only. This is the rule. Okay, so now let us see how we will make the denominator equal of this fraction. So let us see. 5 upon 4 is equal 5 into 3 upon 4 into 3 is equal 15 upon 12. 2 upon 3 is equal 2 into 4 upon 3 into 4 is equal 8 upon 12. So see here they have done the denominator same. Okay, so we have to use the trick of doing same of the denominator. So here 4 into 3 is 12 and 3 into 4 is 12. So this is the trick they have applied. They have applied this same trick here and here only. 2 make sure that the denominator is equal. Okay, and here the upper number, what about the numerator? न्यूमरेटर कुछ भी रहने दो, लेकिन डिनोमिनेटर सेम रहेगा तो ही वो ग्रेटर देन, स्मॉलर देन या फ्रैक्शन में हो सकता है. ठीक है. सो हियर दे हैव डन 15/12 एज ग्रेटर बिकॉज forgot these two number if this number are same, and see which number is greater here. Which number is greater? The greater number is 15. So therefore we have to put the greater than sign on the left side because 15 number is greater. If this both were in minus sign, then which would be greater? The greater would be 8, है ना? Yeah. Okay. Now let's go ahead. Therefore they have done here 5/4 is greater than 2/3. See, so simple na? Here they have given some examples. See, you can see now example 2, example 3, example 4 to easy for you to solve the sums. Okay, this is a trick for you to write. See, read this dark, always read the dark one. Okay, this is very important. This can come in your fill in the blanks while in exam. Okay, the following rules are useful to compare the two rational number. Okay, they have told you this simple rule to follow and complete the exercise using this. Okay, now let us see, do with this trick if you want to. Now let us see what is in practice set 1.2. Okay, now practice set 1.2. Compare the following numbers: -7, -2. Now which is greater here? Of course -2 is greater because as in the number line, as the number goes on the left side -1 come first, then -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Therefore -2 comes here. Therefore -2 is greater. Okay, now 0, -9/5. Which is greater here? 0 is greater. Of course 0 is greater because this term here is smaller than 0. Okay, now see here third one, 8/7, 0. Now which is greater? This is positive, therefore it is on the right side of the number line, and 0 is between 0 is in the middle. Therefore 8/7 is greater than 0. Now see here, the numerator is same. The denominator is same here. Okay, see, in the fourth sum the denominator is same. In the fourth sum the denominator is same. So the number 1 would be greater because the number 5 is negative and 1 is positive. Okay, now see the fifth one also, 40/29, 141/29. Denominator is same, therefore forgot the denominator and see the numbers 40, 41. Which is the greater one? 41. So put the greater one side on the 41, greater one sign on the 41, 141. Okay, so like this you have to do this all sums. And what you would do here? Too simple. If it is 12, multiply it by 16, and here also you would multiply it by 16, and here you would multiply it with 12, and here also you have to multiply with 12. Here 12, 12, 16, 16. Then find the numerator is same, which is the greater number, arrow it. Okay, and now afterwards do it like this. Write the question and show them which is the greater number. Okay, now you have to do such sums like this only. So till today it's okay. From tomorrow onwards we will start decimal representation of rational number. It's too easy. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.